Claude Code, how to build your first powerful AI agent. What if the way most people use Claude Code is the slow way? Racing to build AI agents in a terminal right now. So nobody talks about what happens after you build one. Where do your agents actually live? Where does all your work go? There's a better way to build your very first AI agent. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people learn AI tools and actually use them in their real work. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build your first AI agent, then take it way further than a plain terminal ever could. Stick around to the end, because I'll show you the exact setup that lets your agents do the work on their own while you walk away. So let's talk about the truth about Claude Code. Most people think Claude Code is this amazing breakthrough for building things, and technically they're right. It's Anthropic's agentic coding tool. It lives in your terminal, reads your whole project, edits files, runs commands, and does real work from plain English. You tell it what you want, it makes a plan, writes the code, and checks that it runs. That's powerful. That's how you build your first AI agent. And getting Claude Code running is simpler than people expect. You need a recent version of Node on your machine and a Claude account, and that's basically it. You install it once, open it in the folder you want to work in, and start typing what you want built. That low bar is exactly why this is a great first AI agent to make. You're not setting up servers or wrestling with a complicated install before you can do anything useful. But here's the other side nobody tells you. When you build an agent inside a terminal, that's all you get. Wall of text. You can't see what you made. You can't preview it. You finish something cool, and then where does it go? Buried in a folder somewhere. Next time you open the terminal, it's a blank screen again. So you've got this incredible engine, but no car around it. That's the gap. And that's the whole point of this video. There's a more powerful way to build, and it's how you go from I made one agent to I have a system that runs itself. I call it the agent operating system. It's a simple dashboard I built where my agents live in one place. Claude Code runs inside it. So does Hermes. My other agents. On screen. One workspace. Create stays right there where I can see it. And the best part? You build it by asking Claude Code to build it for you. Here's how that build actually happens, because this is the part that surprises people. Claude Code can read a whole folder, write new files, run commands, and check its own work, all from plain English. So I just described the dashboard I want, and it writes the code for it tab by tab. It even keeps a little memory file called claude.md right in the project, so it remembers how my setup works the next time I open it. And when a job is big, it can split the work across more than one agent at the same time. Lead agent hands out the pieces and pulls the results back together. That's how a single prompt turns into a working dashboard instead of a pile of loose files. Let me show you what mine looks like. Look at this. This is the dashboard. Down the side, I've got tabs. There's a chat tab where I talk to my agents. There's a workspace tab where every single thing I make gets saved. And there's a video tab, which is the fun one. I can switch between Claude Code, Hermes, and my other agents without ever leaving this screen. No jumping between 10 browser windows. No losing my place. It feels like a real app, but it's just my agents wired together with a clean front end on top. It's to build out a full content series designed to bring more people into the AI Profit Boardroom. Fed Claude Code a list of topics AI Profit Boardroom members keep asking about, and it drafted the scripts, the hooks, and the on-screen captions in one go. That kind of content is exactly what pulls the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom. Now let's look at the avatars and voices, because this is where it gets really fun. Inside the video tab, I can pick an avatar. I can pick a voice, and it's loaded in for next time. I can search through different avatar styles and different voice options right here. So when I want to make a talking video, I'm not setting it up from scratch every single time. I pick the voice, I type my idea, and I'm off. And honestly, the avatars are at the point now where it's hard to tell the difference. This avatar you're watching right now is me. The real engine behind the finished videos is a free tool called Hyperframes. Let me explain it simply, because this is the piece that makes the whole thing work. Hyperframes is an open source command line tool built by HeyGen. What it does is turn plain HTML into a real MP4 video. That sounds technical, but here's why it matters. Great at writing HTML. So instead of dragging clips around a timeline, my agent writes the web page, and Hyperframes renders it into a finished video. Editor. No timeline. And it's free. It's open source under the Apache license. The clever part is how it plugs in. You install Hyperframes as a skill. A skill is just a folder of instructions that teaches your agent how to do a specific job. Once it's installed, Claude Code knows the whole Hyperframes routine, plan the video, write the HTML, preview it, and render the MP4. So I type the idea, my agent writes the page, Hyperframes turns it into video, and it lands in my workspace. Full video engine running right inside the dashboard. So why did I build this whole system in the first place? Because the old way was painful. One place where I type an idea and walk away to a finished video instead of starting the same setup over every single time. So I wired the agents, the avatar, and Hyperframes into one dashboard. Now I open the video tab, type a prompt, and within minutes there's a new video ready to go. If you want the exact setup I'm walking through right now, that's what I keep inside the AI Profit Boardroom. There's a full walkthrough on building this agent operating system with Claude Code step by step, plus the Hyperframes setup guide and my avatar setup, so you don't get stuck on the technical parts. We run weekly live coaching calls where you can show me your screen and ask questions about your own build. There's a 30-day social media roadmap built around making content with this exact stack. And the whole agent operating system is in there as a download with a video tutorial, so you're not starting from a blank page. If you're watching this and thinking, I want this on my own machine, the AI Profit Boardroom is where I show you how. Links in the description. Okay, here's the simple path under all of this. I call it 5 steps. Step 1, the idea, you type what you want. Step 2, the avatar, you pick your look and voice once and it's locked in. Step 3, the frame, Hyperframes turns your idea into a real video. Step 4, it all gets put together automatically, so you can walk away and come back to a finished video. Step 5, it saves to your workspace so you can find it later. You don't have to think about these steps while you work. The system does it for you, but knowing the path is how you get the most out of it. Here's the difference between the old way and the new way, and it's wild. Same person, same goal, 2 completely different days. The old way, you're writing the script in one tab, building the avatar in another, editing in a third, hunting for files everywhere. The new way, it's all one tab. The avatar's ready. The voice is ready. Hyperframes is plugged in. The output saves to the workspace, and the agents can run on their own. This is the part I promised at the start. Hermes has a goal mode that lets it work without you babysitting it. So I can hand it a longer task, it runs in the background, and it puts the finished work in the done column. You're not sitting there clicking through every step. And this is where the workspace really pays off. Video stays in view. You never dig through a downloads folder for that thing you made last week. You've got a complete history of everything you've ever made, and it's searchable. That's huge for content too. The pages your agents build can get found in search, which means the same effort keeps working for you long after you made it. On top of that, I connect my agents to a shared memory using Obsidian, which is just a notes app. When the memory is connected, my agents understand what I'm working on, what I made yesterday, and where things are headed. So the videos come out better because the agent actually knows the context. Ran this to map out the whole welcome flow new AI Profit Boardroom members see on day 1. From a single prompt, it planned the welcome messages, the first call prep, and the walkthrough videos, then saved every output in the workspace. New AI Profit Boardroom members land inside and instantly know exactly what to do next. So just to bring it together, you learned the truth about Claude Code, that it's powerful but a bare terminal holds you back. You learned how to wrap it in an agent operating system so everything lives in one place. You learned how to keep your work organized in a searchable workspace. You learned how the agents can run on their own with goal mode. And you learned how to plug in hyperframes so your agents make the videos for you. And remember, the whole stack is free and open source. Hermes, hyperframes, and a free model through OpenRotor, so anyone can build this. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 75,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And here's my last thing. You're about to go try this. You'll get Claude Code installed, you'll connect a free model, you'll add the hyperframe skill, and somewhere in there, you'll hit a snag. Maybe goal mode won't fire. Maybe the render fails. Maybe you can't get the dashboard tabs talking to each other. That's exactly where most people quit. So that's exactly what I built the AI Profit Boardroom to fix. When you get stuck, you bring your screen to the weekly live coaching calls and we get you unstuck fast with the prompts and the full setup ready to copy. If you want to build your first powerful AI agent and actually finish it, come join me at aiprofitboardroom.com.